Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Cloud Techie. Today we will learn how to launch an EC2 instance in AWS Cloud. So let's get started. First of all, log into your AWS Management Console. I have already logged in, so this is my home screen for the Management Console, and I can see there are few services in my recently visited section. If you are not seeing any of the services over here, do not worry about that. You can search all of the services provided by AWS Cloud in this search bar. So you can search like this. You can also click on the services and then choose whatever you want. Like EC2 comes under the compute section, click on this, and here all the services related to this compute section will be available here. So we need to open the EC2 dashboard to launch an EC2 instance. So we will click over here. Then once we are here, we can select the region in which we want to launch the EC2 instance. So I am based in India, so I will choose the region Mumbai so that I get the lowest latency. So after that, the region is changed to Mumbai. Now I will click on this launch instance button, and here I have to select the operating system for my instance. There are some of the popular operating systems available in the quick start section, and you can also search like RHEL. So you are seeing RHEL 8 with SQL Server standard here. So I will not use any of these. I will just go to the quick section and without these filters, and will select the Amazon Linux 2 operating system. Just click on select. Now you will be seeing the instance types in which you have to choose one for your EC2 instance. So I'm going to choose this free tier t2.micro instance type. You can choose any of the instance type according to your requirement. You can also choose the instance different instance families over here, and then select the instance type. So in this t2.micro, you will be having one CPU count and 1 GB of memory. You can also check instance types. Those are available on this platform by going to this link. I will paste this link on the description as well, and you can select on any of the instance types and then see what are the resources available with this particular instance type. Now click on this next button to configure the instance details. Here are some options like network, host name, configuration, placement groups, if you want to any shutdown behavior, all these things. So we will what will be the number of instances? It will be 1 by default. Then the network, I have selected the default one. If you want, you can also create a new VPC. We will talk about later what VPC is, how we can configure this VPC, and what we can how we can manage the network, our own private network in a better way. So then you need to select the subnet. Depends on which availability zone you want to launch the EC2 instance. Right now I only have one subnet configured with this VPC, so I will choose this one. So next option is auto assign public IP. So I have selected use subnet setting. So the subnet setting is enabled by default. You can also choose enable or disable if you want, as per your requirement. Like if you are launching the EC2 instance for any secure service like database, then you can disable this option so that your EC2 instance is not accessible over the internet. Then you can leave all the options as it is. Shutdown behavior should stop is very fine, and click on next. Then this is the volume size. So right now I'm having 8 GB of volume attached, root volume attached to the EC2 instance, and I will leave it as it is because I am launching this instance just for testing purposes. So we will click on the next button to add tags. If you want to add tags, you can write like Cloud Techie, right? So these three options are selected so that the same tags is applied to all the resources attached to this particular instance. Next we will have to configure the security group. So there are two options available: create a new security group or select an existing one. So if you want, you can select any existing security group if you have. Right now I'm going to create one. You can write the name Cloud Techie SG and the reason. This security group is created for Cloud Techie testing. And in the security group we need to create rules. We need to create or add rules. So I have this rule is already added, so which is allowing traffic on SSH port from all over the internet. So we will leave it as it is and click on review and launch. You can just review the settings over here. If you want to edit anything, you can just click over here to edit the particular section and then come back here. Now we will click on launch. Here you will get options for your key pair which is used to log into the EC2 instance. So I will create a new key pair as I do not have any existing one, and I will mention here Cloud Techie key pair. You need to click the download key pair button so that the key is downloaded. Once you have clicked on launch instance, you cannot download this key pair. After that you will be having problems with your EC2 instance in logging into the instance, and you will have to follow some steps to create a new EC2 key pair and then configure it with your instance, right? So we will click on launch instance, and within few seconds our instance will be launched. So this is our instance ID which is just launched. So as we have added a name tag for this instance, so this is the name of the instance which is updated here. So right now we will click on refresh button. So I can see that the instance is launched. We can click on this, we can just open our terminal, we can go to the downloads, we can run this click search command, click on this, paste. This will just secure our private key. Click on this command, login, and we are done. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed the tutorial, please like the video, share your valuable feedbacks and queries in the comment section, and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can receive updates for upcoming cloud tutorial videos. Thank you.